Got your truck revved up and ready to hit the open road? Before you get too excited about cruising down Route 66 or heading up to scenic destinations, let's talk about something super important: getting a DOT number for your trucking dreams. So what is a DOT number? Think of it like a driver's license for your truck, but way more official. If you're running a commercial vehicle in the U.S., you'll need this registration to operate legally. It's basically a badge that says, "Hey, I'm ready for business and I meet all the safety and legal regulations." Wondering if you really need one? Well, if you're going to be involved in interstate commerce, drive a vehicle over a certain weight, or transport a certain number of passengers or hazardous materials, then yup, it's mandatory. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Before you even start filling out your application, it's smart to gather all your essential details, like your business name, type of operation, and vehicle information. Having these on hand will make the process smoother and help you avoid common mistakes that could delay your approval. Think of it as prepping your rig before a big haul. Check everything before you hit the road. Now let's chat about the process. At first glance, it might seem like you're facing a mountain of paperwork. The forms can be a bit of a puzzle, long, detailed, and packed with trucking terms that might make your head spin. It's kind of like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But here's the great news. You don't have to do it alone. Ever heard horror stories about folks getting it wrong? Let me tell you about a buddy of mine. He thought he'd save time by rushing through the forms. Turns out he missed a few crucial bits and ended up with more delays than a downtown traffic jam. So spare yourself the headache and let the experts handle it. And hey, once you've got to that DOT number, it's smooth sailing or driving from there. You'll be moving goods, meeting clients, and living that trucking life. But remember, it's not just about getting the number. You'll need to keep up with some ongoing compliance checks. And that's another reason why having a service like Moving Authority in your corner is golden. Before we wrap up, let's remember, trucking isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're dreaming of exploring the country, delivering essential goods, or building your business empire on wheels, it starts with doing things right from the get-go. All right, that's all for today, trucking aficionados. If you've got questions or need a hand, drop us a comment below. And don't forget to check out movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430 for all your DOT number needs. Keep those tires rolling and your spirits high. Catch you on the flip side.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.